my future's plans for next vacation. Okay, everybody, let's go. Family vacation. I'm going to go to Chispata next Friday. We are going to go to the beach to celebrate my wife's birthday. My wife is excited because she is going to the beach again. Um, I know I am going to have a great time in San Antero. I am going to go especially to the Calabasas Museum. I want to beside it because I love art. We are going to go to the very famous mud volcano in San Antero. Later, we are going to visit the Pata Bays. We are also going to go to a good restaurant for a great place of shrimp. My friend Raymond lives in San Antero, so we are going to stay in Raymond's apartment. I am going to invite my wife to have micheladas at night. Then we are going to go for a walk on the beach. I'm going to take a lot of photos and later I'm going to show them to my family. Finally, we are going to rest in a beautiful cabin. Thank you so much. I'll see you later, my friends.